Hi everybody, I'm Rob, and today I want to show you our latest version of a premium nucleus designed by Princeton Wong. So this is a premium version of the anime-inspired original nucleus. This time, however, it's going to be featuring a MagnaCut steel blade and a titanium handle set with a carbon fiber overlay. You've got 3¼ inches of blade here, and the overall length is 7½ inches. I find this knife to be the perfect size for a range of tasks. I'm able to get a really good purchase on the handle for fine chopping, kind of intricate slicing tasks, just very, very functional knife. But to be honest, I carry this knife because it's such a cool industrial design. I love the concepts that Princeton Wong comes up with, and this one never doesn't fail. Nucleus features multiple different opening options as well. You've got your front flipper, of course. Pretty decent sized jimping and thumb ramp there to do so. Very nice, smooth. It's on IKBS, it's a very smooth open. Of course, your standard flipper, as well as the little hole there for the quick flip. Really easy and smooth opening overall, but definitely holds fast when closed due to the lightness of the blade. It's got a pretty present but not too tight detent, so very, very smooth and just really good action on that. Look at that, just easy job. In general, I was pleasantly surprised with how light this knife is, but I know with that MagnaCut steel, it's going to stand up over time. Honestly, I love how exciting and different the design is on this one. A lot of angles and lines. You can definitely see where it pays homage to the Gundam anime series. So if you're looking for your next lightweight, premium knife, this little Fidget Fun Center is definitely a go-to. It's got all the design keys you could want, comes from a fantastic designer, and I highly recommend the Nucleus, made by CRKT, designed by Princeton Wong.